Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and I also really want to welcome you guys to Spooktober, which is something that I just randomly thought of like creating videos all kind of like Halloween spooky themed for the month of October. And what better way to start with a review and swatches of the new super vampy Dark Rainbow collection by Holo Taco. I've had this one sitting on my desk for a couple of weeks. I actually wasn't able to really schedule in this video before October started, but I was like, you know, these colors are so vampy, so dark, kind of like mysterious as well. They really hit the nail on the head with this one, especially releasing it in September, like right before October, or aka Spooktober. For me personally, I just really love the colors and I'm always like pretty much a fan of their linear holographic polishes. So yeah, I'm just going to do a full on swatch and review as usual. If you have any questions, maybe what's on my other hand, as you can see here, I already have a super spooky Halloween vibe manicure. If you want to know what I use, just let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, if you have any like suggestions for me to do during this month of Spooktober, let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, this is actually a 7-piece collection. I got it for $98 a bundle, but it's already on sale. But if you're new to my channel, by the way, and you haven't subscribed, I really hope you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's just swatch all of the 7 colors. So yeah, as I mentioned, a 7-color piece. These are 5 free, they are cruelty free, they are vegan, and yeah, they are also available separately. Of course, the entire bundle with the limited edition like box that they came in with, that I just showed you a little earlier in this video, that one is completely sold out, but you can still get them like as a separate bundle without the box, or just a couple of separate polishes if you're not into all of the 7 colors that are in this collection. But yeah, the first one is called Lost in the Woods, and I have to say I was really impressed with how opaque these were with the first coat already, and I didn't really apply that much polish to each and every single swatch. I actually swatched these colors with just 1 coat each to really show you what these colors are capable of, what their like opacity is like, stuff like that, you know, because I do have longer nails and I usually need an extra layer when it comes to wanting a super opaque end result. If you have shorter nails, you pretty much are good to go usually with 1 coat less than when you would have really long natural nails like I do. So yeah, the fact that they are like almost completely opaque, like each and every single color of them in this collection with just 1 coat on my length of nails, that definitely deserves a round of applause. I was really excited about that. I was so happy to see that, because sometimes like especially linear holographic polishes like the ones I'm showing you here, they can be quite sheer. I have tried so many different brands who came out like claiming to have super opaque linear holographic polishes, and they needed like 4 coats or something. So I'm just so happy to see that these are super pigmented, super opaque, fast, and even on my length of nails. Of course, some will definitely like look better or more evened out with the second coat, but just look at the result that I get for each and every single polish within 1 coat. Like, I can't rave enough about it. I'm just really like enthusiastic about it. This second color already is called Sunken Secrets. The first one, Lost in the Woods, was a nice like dark woody kind of green. Sunken Secrets is kind of like a deep ocean blue, a very rich royal looking color in my opinion. I was also pretty like excited to see this one being this opaque within that first coat, because blues can be a little tricky every now and then, especially like darker sapphire kind of blues like that. They can be a little like sheer and patchy, but because there's so much of that holographic pigment in these polishes, I feel like that is the main reason why these polishes are so hella opaque. Like, oh, I love it. Really gorgeous. And of course, all of the colors match with the previous rainbow collections, like the OG one with the brighter rainbow colors, as well as the pastel rainbow one. If you want to see all of my swatches and just talk to reviews of those, definitely check out my Holo Taco playlist that I have created here on my channel. I might even just add it like in the end screen, so you can just click on it and watch all of the videos I've done on Holo Taco. So yeah, if you're curious about that, do check it out. The next color is a beautiful purpley kind of color. This one is called Violet Nightmares. I did feel like this one could pretty much need a second coat, but if you know how close up I actually record my videos, and if it's just a little patchy, you can definitely tell that in real life, just looking at it from a distance, you really won't notice any of the patchiness. It's just because I have such a killer like camera and lens setup that you see every single flaw and mistake and patchiness. Like, a lot of the things you won't even be able to see like with the naked eye in daily life. So that's just a little heads up. Like, my setup is killer when it comes to stuff like that. You can see every little single thing. Even in my previous video, I had like a cat hair stuck in my nails that I even didn't see when I was recording. Like, that is how insanely good my camera setup is. Like, it catches everything. So like every little mess up or just mistake, it is definitely visible on camera. But yeah, it definitely helps with swatching polishes and really showing you the true colors and like true capacity of each and every single polish. Like, even this one, it looks so gorgeous with that first coat already. This one is called Dead Petals, by the way. It is supposed to be the pink kind of color from this collection. It definitely is a dark rosy red kind of color, but the next one that's coming up is actually a little bit more red and more vampy, like more blood-like. Even though I feel like this one isn't super pink, I do really like the look of it, and it also pretty much fits into this collection real nice. Maybe if it would have been a little of like a more bright pink, little like more towards a hot dark pink, I would have liked it even more, because it is quite similar to this Crimson Void reddish kind of color. I don't know, maybe that's just me and I just love pinks, and I wish it would have like stood out a little more in this collection. I don't know. I'm a little torn on that one, but then again, this Crimson Void is a beautiful blood red linear holographic color, really gorgeous. I do feel like this one, you don't want to overwork it too much, because the more you work with that polish and the more brush strokes you have in there, the patchier it will be. So yeah, definitely don't overwork these polishes. Just try to be as smoothly as possible when applying these polishes, because the less hassle, the less streakiness, you know? But yeah, other than that, once again, a great color, super vampy, perfect for Halloween, for Spooktober. If you're into darker colors, definitely check out this collection. I actually bought this collection myself. I'm not on Holo Taco's PR list or anything like that. I wish I was, though. That would save me like so much money, to be honest, because shipping and like additional taxes always add up pretty badly when it comes to their shipping policy and stuff. But yeah, let's just continue with the next color. This one is supposed to be the orange kind of tone from the Rainbow collection, like vibe, I'd say. It looks a lot like a brown, but of course a dark orange automatically turns into a brown color. Burnt Bridges is, I think, one of my favorite colors from this collection, which might sound a little weird because usually I love the brighter colors like the more color, the happier I am. But this one just screams fall to me. Like I can see like me doing like a pumpkin kind of design on this. I don't know, it's just really gorgeous. I feel like the holographic pigment in this one really stands out a lot. In some of the colors, I feel like the pigment kind of like falls into the background and the color itself kind of like overrules everything. I don't know, I just really felt like the holographicness was most visible in that polish. But then again, it also might depend on your lighting, what lighting you're using. Are you in natural daylight? Are you like underneath some LED lights or anything like that? It really makes a big difference whether or not the like holographic pigment is really visible, because as you can see here for the seventh and final color, this is the yellow one from the rainbow like scene, I'd say. This one is called Amber Apathy. I really liked how holographic this one looked as well, even though it is not as dark as some of the other colors. Usually the darker the color, the more like vibrant and eye-catching the holographic shimmer is. But this one was actually quite light compared to some of the other tones. But yeah, I don't know, it's really gorgeous. I think it will go perfect with that burnt bridges kind of color. Really, really gorgeous. And because it is a yellow, I didn't expect it to be this opaque within the first coat yet. As I mentioned, for a lot of the colors from this collection, only one coat I have swatched them in. And yeah, I'm pretty much blown away by this collection. It's dark, it's vampy, it's spooky, perfect for Halloween. Yeah, just really gorgeous. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.